Hello everyone, welcome to tenorshare channel. Have you just bought a new iPhone, or your old iPhone is running out of storage space? In either case, data backup and recovery are essential. Today, I will show you 4 ways to backup and restore data through iCloud, iTunes, and iCareFone. If you want to transfer data directly without resetting your phone, you can use Method 3 directly. Method 1. Use iCloud to backup and restore. First, you can backup and restore through iCloud. Open the settings of your old iPhone. Turn on the iCloud backup function in the Apple ID and click Backup Now to ensure that the backup is complete. Then open the settings on the new phone. Find General. Click Transfer or Reset iPhone and click Reset Device to clear data. During the reset and activation process of the new phone, choose Restore from iCloud. Enter your Apple ID and wait for the restoration to complete. After a few minutes, the data will be restored to the new phone, exactly the same as the data on the old phone. However, iCloud's free storage space is limited. If your data is too large, you can try the second method. Method 2. Use iTunes to backup and restore. If you need to backup or restore a lot of files, you can backup and restore through iTunes. Connect the old iPhone to the computer. Open iTunes. Click the device option in the upper left corner. Click Backup Now. Wait for the backup to complete. Unplug the old iPhone, connect the new iPhone, and make sure the new iPhone has been reset. When activating the new phone, select Restore Data from Computers. Tips: if the computer does not recognize the new phone, you can reinsert the data cable. iTunes will then recognize your device and give you the option to restore the backup or set up a new iPhone. Click the Continue option. Wait patiently for a while, and your data will be completely transferred to the new phone after it is completed. If you don't want to reset your phone and only want to restore part of the data, you can try the third method. Method 3. Use iCareFone to backup and restore. iCareFone is a tool specifically for iPhone data management and transfer. You can selectively restore data without resetting any phone, and unlike iTunes backup, you can directly view the backed up data on the computer. If you don't know where to download iCareFone, you can download it from the official website through the link below the video. Connect the old iPhone to the computer. Open iCareFone and click the Backup and Restore function on the left. Click Backup Now. Select the data you want to back up. Confirm the backup and wait for the backup to complete. Once the backup is complete, connect your new iPhone to your computer. Open iCareFone. Select the Backup and Restore function. You can see that the old phone data you just backed up is also here. Next, we restore the data of the old iPhone. Click it. You can see that all your backed up data is here. You can choose to restore all data, or you can selectively restore data. Here, we choose to restore some data. Click Restore to Device. Wait for the restoration to complete. You can see that your new iPhone has restored the data you want to restore, and this will not overwrite the original data of your phone. Method 4. Use iCareFone to restore iTunes backup. iCareFone also supports extracting iTunes backup. Similarly, connect the phone you need to restore data to the computer. Open iCareFone. Click the Backup and Restore function. Select the iTunes backup with the music symbol. Click View. This is the data you previously backed up with iTunes. Click Restore to Device to restore the data. Wait for the data transfer to complete, and your data will be restored to your device. Well, that's all about how to backup and restore your iPhone. I hope these methods are helpful to you. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe to our channel to get more practical iPhone tips.